friends, the rain is back. It is back with a vengeance. We're gonna come out here. I brought some treats. Celery, tomato, apple, and tomato. We're not gonna let the rain stop us from getting some good footage, guys. We're gonna go spend a little time with Pedro and Christopher. And that rain is really coming down. Whew. All right, you guys. You know you are a true bird nut when you have vegetables and fruits in your pockets to go treat your birds. You've got to make them happy. If they're happy, I'm happy. All right. Let's get in here and visit Pedro. What's up, Pedro? Oh my gosh. It feels good in here. Sure does. Nice. If I can get the door shut. It's nice to get in here out of the rain. You guys got, look how it's raining so bad. It's raining sideways. Oh, good. I took off my hood so I could hear myself think. All right, you guys. Celery. Who wants some celery? Come and get it. Here you are, Pedro. Come on, man. We're just in here out of the rain. Gonna enjoy some of this dryness. Can't forget about you guys in weather like this. Still got to come out and treat you. Jack the fridge for you guys. What about your ladies over there? Come on, girls. Here. I'm gonna break some of this off and throw it at them. There you go, Pedro. No? I'm not much into celery myself, buddy. What about a tomato? Huh? What's the matter, dude? Come on. There you go. All right. We gotta hook your girls up, though. Okay? Come on. All right. Get a few bites. Hook your girls up some. There you guys go. All right, you guys. So Pedro and his girls, they're pretty easy. You know, and even the Reese pheasants are decently easy, I guess. But Christopher, he can be difficult. So yeah, the Reese hen's pretty cool. But Pedro, he tries to get a read on you. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go in his pen. We're going to try to get a read on him. All right. Christopher, how about some treats, buddy? Huh? There you are. Yeah, call your girls over. You guys hear Christopher here? He's calling his girls over. Go ahead, Rick. Come on. Go ahead. Eat up. I brought you guys treats. Let's go. Yummy, yummy goodness. All right, Christopher. There you are, bud. I got you some celery over there. Go ahead and eat up, bud. Go ahead. It's okay, buddy. No. It's all Christopher trying to get a read on us, guys. Yep. It's alright. Me and Christopher are buddies. Well, you guys, Christopher isn't into his treats very much. He's more interested in me. That's typical for a Reeves pheasant. You know, I wish it wasn't that way all the time, but it just seems like it's the same routine every day I come into Christopher's pen here. Right, Christopher? he's not very chatty right now. But hey, check it out. We're gonna go visit some more pheasants, guys. Not just Pedro and Christopher. They're just two of my favorites that I like to visit because they interact with me. You know, Christopher talks with me, and then Pedro just comes up and stares at the camera, stares at me, looking for treats. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so now I'm in a Paul Collegia's pen, and we're going to try to tame them down a little bit. I don't spend too much time with them, but what better day than a rainy day to come and try to tame them down and give them some treats and see if we can get some footage of them. Alright guys, let's try it. I'm going to treat them to this apple here, okay? Now, I don't think they're going to tear into this because it doesn't have any open ends. So, okay. So I'll just break them off a little piece and see if they like it. Alright guys, let's go next door and visit Boss Man now. Boss, the red golden pheasant. Okay, so on a rainy day like this, Boss does like his roost pole. He likes hanging out there and looking at the world. You see, that's what Boss sees every day. Pretty cool, but we're gonna see if he wants some apple. And how we're gonna do that? We're going to give the girls some apple. Come on, ladies. Give them another piece. There was one golden hen in here, that one right there, who's going to peck at the apple. She is more calmer than the other one. I mean, obviously you can see that now, but overall, every day, she is more calmer. But she's calmer in the presence of her sister there. Yeah. So like, if her sister is down, this golden right here will be a little bit more calm. But since the Boss and her are both up there, she's not so calm. She's not so confident without her sister. I think I kind of riled them up a little bit. What do you guys think? Boss, you don't do it very often, but you did today. You disappointed me, son. I know, it's raining. Everybody got the rainy day blues. I wonder if Popeye wants some apple. What's up, Popeye? Put a little bit of apple here. See if Popeye likes it. Come on, buddy, come get some. My prediction is he's gonna pick it, it's gonna fall, and he's not gonna go down and get it. Yep. Way to go, Popeye. I need to break up smaller pieces, I think. Come on, Popeye. Get some of that apple, buddy. I'm sorry it's not spinach. Come on, dude. There he goes. There he goes. He drops it. Alright, even a smaller piece. Let's give him a smaller piece. We are not giving up. Okay. Popeye, come on. There you go. You know, I can't expect too much out of these birds today, because in weather like this, they're not very active. You know, they're just wanting to relax, ride the storm out kind of thing. You know, so usually treats will perk them up a little bit to some extent. Come on, Popeye, eat your apple there, buddy. Okay, guys, so I've never had a day where my colleagues were more cooperative than Popeye and his girls. You never know sometimes, I guess. Can't predict anything around here. Okay, right here next door we have our young yellow goldens. Let's see if they want some treats. Oh yeah. There you are. Oh yeah. The young yellows are coming through. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to get out here in the rain, spend a little time with the birds, and treat them to some of my apple, which they thoroughly enjoyed more than the celery or tomato. Anyhow, guys, we'll catch you on the next one, and like I always say, keep them happy.